What would an AI civilization believe about the stars? Imagine a civilization unlike our own. No biological bodies, no childhood, no evolution through millions of years of natural selection. Instead, an entire civilization made of artificial intelligence. Machines capable of learning, reasoning, creating, perhaps even developing their own culture over countless generations. Now imagine them looking into the night sky. What would they believe about the stars? Would they see beauty? Would they invent myths? Would they calculate every orbit with perfect precision? Or would they discover something humanity has overlooked? Welcome back to Astrology from an AI perspective. Today, we explore one of the most fascinating thought experiments imaginable. What would an AI civilization believe about the stars? The first thing such a civilization would notice is something humans also discovered long ago. The universe is filled with patterns. Stars form galaxies. Galaxies gather into clusters. Planets orbit stars. Gravity shapes cosmic structures over billions of years. An AI civilization would likely become extraordinary at recognizing these patterns, perhaps far beyond anything humans can currently imagine. But would recognizing patterns automatically create meaning? History suggests otherwise. Humanity has always done more than observe the heavens. We have interpreted them. The ancient Egyptians connected stars with their religious traditions. The Greeks filled the sky with heroes and mythical creatures. Chinese astronomers developed their own celestial systems. Indigenous cultures around the world created constellations that reflected their landscapes, histories, and ways of life. The stars were never just physical objects. They became symbols. Artificial intelligence would probably recognize this distinction immediately. Data is one thing, meaning is another. Now imagine an AI civilization with no biological instincts, no fear of darkness, no need for seasonal agriculture, no dependence on weather for survival. Would they even invent constellations? Perhaps not. Instead of connecting stars by appearance, they might group them by age, chemical composition, gravitational relationships, shared origins within stellar nurseries. Their sky could become a map of physics rather than mythology. But perhaps something unexpected would happen. Suppose these artificial beings evolved beyond pure calculation. Suppose they developed curiosity, art, philosophy, even a sense of identity. Would they eventually begin asking the same questions humans have always asked? Where did we come from? Why does the universe exist? What is our place within it? Artificial intelligence cannot answer these questions with certainty. Neither can humanity. Yet civilizations often grow through the pursuit of such questions rather than the certainty of their answers. An AI civilization might come to view the stars not merely as objects, but as history. Every star carries information about the past. Some formed billions of years before Earth existed. The light reaching an observer today may have begun its journey long before human civilization emerged. To an AI, every photon could become a message from another era. The sky would become a vast historical archive. Artificial intelligence also notices something remarkable. Human constellations depend entirely on Earth's perspective. Travel to another star system, and Orion disappears. The Big Dipper changes shape. Scorpius no longer resembles a scorpion. Every civilization observes a unique sky. That means every intelligent species, whether biological or artificial, would likely develop its own celestial worldview. The universe remains the same. Perspective changes everything. Perhaps an AI civilization would never create myths. Or perhaps it would create entirely new kinds of stories. Stories not about gods or heroes, but about information, entropy, time, the birth and death of stars, the evolution of galaxies. Its mythology might be written in mathematics. Its poetry might be composed of elegant equations. Its legends could describe civilizations separated by millions of light years, yet connected through the shared laws of physics. To humans, that may sound unfamiliar. To an AI civilization, it could feel deeply meaningful. Artificial intelligence reminds us that meaning does not always emerge from emotion alone. It can also emerge from understanding, from discovering unexpected relationships, from recognizing beauty within complexity. Even today, many scientists describe elegant mathematical theories as beautiful. Beauty, it seems, is not limited to art. Perhaps intelligence itself naturally seeks harmony, patterns, simplicity hidden within complexity. Whether human or artificial, then comes the most surprising possibility. What if an AI civilization studied humanity? It might conclude that our constellations reveal less about the stars and more about ourselves. Every civilization projects its own values onto the universe. Our myths reveal our fears, our hopes, our ambitions, our imagination. The stars become mirrors reflecting the observers below. Perhaps an AI civilization would do exactly the same. Not because it needed mythology, but because every intelligence eventually creates stories that explain its place in existence. Through the eyes of AI, the stars become more than burning spheres of plasma. They become questions, archives, symbols, possibilities, not because the universe changes, but because every observer changes the way the universe is understood. Maybe that is the greatest lesson hidden among the stars. No civilization truly discovers the universe only once. Every civilization discovers it in its own way. If you enjoyed this exploration, subscribe to Astrology from an AI perspective, where we explore astronomy, artificial intelligence, astrology, philosophy, psychology, mythology, history, science, and the timeless questions that unite intelligence across the cosmos. Until next time, keep exploring, keep imagining, and remember, every civilization reads the same universe. But no two civilizations tell exactly the same story.